Good afternoon, students. Today we can discuss the solution of linear equation, solving linear equation. So we have several methods for solving linear equation. First method we discuss graphical method of solution. Here we discuss solving the linear equation by substitution method. Substitution method, we have to substitute one variable instead of other. So we can check how it we can possible. 7x minus 15y, 7x minus 15y, 7x minus 15y equal 2, and x plus 2y equal to 3, x plus 2y equal to 3. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. These are the two equations that we have to solve by the method of substitution. Listen, substitution means firstly we have to go through on the question. So these two equations we have. Which one is the simple one? First you have to check the simple one. Simple one is x plus 2y equal to 3. That is the simple one. So here we can substitute instead of x, that we can substitute. The first we can solve this x plus 2y equal to 3, that is x plus 2y equal to 3. First we can take the simple equation. From these two equations we take the simple equation, that is x plus 2y equal to 3. So both are same, anyone we can take, no problem. First we can take the simple one. So instead of x we can bring the y to the right side, that is x equal to 3 minus 2y. X we can write as 3 minus 2y. X equal to 3 minus 2y. That is equation number 3. That is equation number 3. Referred as equation number 3. So instead of x we can consider 3 minus 2y. We can substitute, instead of x is 3 minus 2y. We can substitute x equal to 3 minus 2y. That value we can substitute in the equation number 1. Equation number 1. So apply this value in equation number 1. So x equal to 3 minus 2y, apply in equation number 1. X equal to 3 minus 2y, apply in equation number 1. So what is our equation number? 7x minus 15y equal to 2. Equal 2. That is our equation. Instead of x, we can substitute 3 minus 2y. That is 7 of 3 minus 2y minus 15y equal to 2. So now the equation change into one linear equation with one variable. So linear equation with one variable we know how to solve. That we studied in 8th standard. We know that how to solve linear equation in one variable. So like that way we have to change the given equation into a linear equation of one variable. Linear equation with the one variable. So firstly we can solve this. 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. Then 7 into 2 minus 14y. Then minus 15y. So 7 minus 15y equal to 2. Okay. Got it. So what is the answer? 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14, then 15y we written there. Then after we can write together 15 and 14, that is 21 minus 29y equal to 29y equal to 2. Then we can bring the 21 to the right side, that is minus 29y equal 2 minus 21. 2 minus 21. Then y equal minus 19 by minus 29. Minus 19 by minus 1, because 2 minus 21 is minus 19 and the minus 29 bring to the right side is also minus 19. Then minus and minus cancel. Answer is 19 by 29. What is the value of y? 19 minus 29. Why we got the 19 minus 29? So look here, what are the procedures we did? X equal to 3 minus 2y. That is the value we got from the solving of second equation. Firstly, we solve the second equation. So x equal to 3 minus 2y, that is 2y bring to the right side, that is 3 minus 2y, that will be written here. Then we consider the first equation, 7x minus 15y equal 2, that is instead of x we substitute 3 minus 2y, instead of x we substitute 3 minus 2y. Okay. Then we multiply 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14, then minus we written there, then 15y is there, that after that equal to 2. 15 and 14 write together, that is 29y. 21 bring to the right side, it is minus 21. Then minus 29 equal to 19 by 29. Minus and minus cancel, after we got 19 by 21. What is the value of y? Y we got y equal 19 by 29. This value we can substitute in this equation. That value we can substitute in any equation. Then this equation we can substitute y equal to 19 by 29. Apply in equation number 2. In equation number 2, that is x plus 2y equal to 3. Then y equal to x plus 2 into 19 by 29 equal to 3. 19 by 29 equal to 3. That is equal x equal 38. Sorry, x plus 19 into 2, 38. 38 by 29 equal to 3. 38 by 29 equal to 3. That we can bring to the right side, x equal to 3 minus 38 by 29. 38 by 29. 38 by 29. Then we can solve this. X equal to 29 into 3, that is 87 minus 38 by 29. That is equal to 49 minus 49 by 29. That is the value of x equal to 49 by 29. 49 by 29. After solving this, we will get like this way. Okay, got it. So we can see another example. From the exercise, first question we can see x plus y equal to 14, x plus y equal to 14, x minus y equal 4, x minus y equal to 4. That are the two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Then we know from these two equations which one is the simplest. X minus y equal to 4, that we can, I think it is simple. So that equation we consider x minus y equal 4, then x equal to 4 plus y, that y bring to the right side, y bring to the right side. So the value of x we can write as 4 plus y, x equal to 4 plus y. Then substitute this value, equation number 3, that is equation number 3 substitute in equation number 1. That value of x we can substitute as 4 plus y in equation number 1, that is x plus y equal 14, x equal to 4 plus y equal to 14, then 4 plus 2y equal to 14, 2y equal 14 minus 4, y equal 10 by 2, y equal 10 by 2 equal 5, y equal 5, y equal 5. We got the value of y equal 5. Then we can substitute that value in the equation number 1, that is x plus y equal to 14. The value of y equal to 5. X plus 5 equal to 14. X equal to 14 minus 5. X equal to 9. We got x equal to 9, y equal to 5. This is the way of finding the value of x and y from the pair of linear equation. That is the method. The method is called a substitution method. The method is called a substitution method. Okay. Now we can see the next question. S minus t equal to 3. S by 3 plus. Is it a plus? Plus t by 2 equal 6. So before solving this equation, firstly we can solve the second equation. We know there is one fraction. So how can we avoid this fraction? Firstly we can avoid this fraction because 3 into 2. We can multiply throughout all the term by 6, which implies 6 into s by 3 plus 6 into t by 2 equals 6 into 6. So 3 and 6 cancel, it will be 2. Then 2s plus 2 and 6 cancel, it will be 3. Then 3t equal 36. So we got the second equation. We rewrite like this way, 2s plus 3t equal to 36. And the first equation is s minus t equal to 3. We know that the simple equation we can take for solving. For substituting we can take the simple equation. That is s minus t equal to 3. That is s equal to s minus t equal to 3. That is s equal to 3 plus t. S equal to 3 plus t. This equation, this value of s we can substitute in equation number 2. That is s equal to 3 plus t. That is 2s plus 3t equal 36. That is the rewritten equation of our question. So we can substitute the value of s as 3 plus t. That is 2 into 3 plus t bracket of plus 3t equal 36. Then we can multiply. This is 2 into 3, 6 plus 2t plus 3t equal 36. 6 plus 2 plus 3, 5t equal 36. 5t equal 6 we can bring to the right side, 36 minus 6. 5t equal 30. T equal 30 by 5 equal 6. We got the value of t equal 30 by 5, 6. Do you get this? How can we solve this? All of you listen here. S equal to 3 plus t and substitute that value in equation number 1, that is, equation number 2, that is 2 into s plus 3t equal to 36. In that the value of s we substitute as 3 plus t, then after solving all these come like this way. Okay. Then we want to find out the value of s, original value of s wanted to find out. We got the numerical value of t is 6. So we can substitute that value in equation number 3. That is s minus t equal 3. S minus t equal to 3. The value of t is 6. That is equal to 3. Then s equal to 3 plus 6. S equal 9. S equal to 9. So t equal to 6. S equal to 9. This is the method we discussed today. Is substitution method of solving pair of linear equation in two variable. All of you understood? Okay, practice very well. Remaining questions from the exercise 3.3. Thank you. Have a nice day.